It's Ivan. It's time for Dollar General's Do Now deals. That means three things. One, either it's a hot commodity you can't resist, or the product won't be there, or the coupon will be pulled because enough people use it, okay? So we're going to get right to the deals. Let's go. So the first deal we're going to come to is the Gain. It is back at 4 for $12. Now, we're going to scan it because it is also a glitch to it. It's $4.50. Then you see you have two coupons, one 4 for 12 and one spend 30 save 5. These are Dollar General coupons, so they will not stack. Claim that coupon by hitting that black square, turn it into a check mark. Now if you open it up, these are the deals that will match with it. Now I usually will pick 4 and it say add it to the list. I'm gonna put in 4 of them, and let's see if it still do 4 for 12, because you should be mixing and matching it with the fires. Here you go. Let's see if it's still glitching. And yes, it is. It is a glitch. It is still 4 for 12. So you can mix and match with detergent. You can do the dryer sheets. You can do the softener. And you can do the fireworks. So you can do 4 of those, okay? 4 for 12 now. Okay, the Persil deal is back, guys, but only they gave us coupons for we can use 2 Persils this time instead of 1. Here it is. It's $5.50. We have a number of coupons. We have the $1.50 manufacturer, $3 off the 15, which remember it was 5 off 15, now it's 3 off 15. Then you can earn $2 back on one if you want. Now this coupon and that one will not stack, but if you do these two, they'll stack, and these two will stack, okay? So if we do that, $1.50 off that, $1.50 off of this one. Now those are the same coupons, okay? And then this Persil has a coupon back itself. Let's scan it. That is $9.95 and it's a $2 off coupon. Then it's 15 save 3. Then to earn $3 back. So let's do a deal. We're gonna go $5.50 for the Persil, the small one, then $9.95 for the big one. Takes you to $15.45. We're over by 45 cents, but that's okay. Take that $3 off automatically. Then you're gonna take your $1.50 off the small Persil, then your $2 off the big Persil. Leave you at $8.95. Divide that by 2, $4.47 each. Now, do I think that the spend 15 save 3 is a good deal? No. But if you want to grab this deal and you didn't get a chance to do the spend 15 save 5 last time, then this is a good deal for you, okay? Only reason why I would do it because I'm going to pay $4.47 for this large Persil, which is one of my go-to brands. That's why I would do it. Now if that's not a go-to brand and you don't want to use one of these, then don't do it. If you want to make money, you can also use it as making some money off of it, which that's what I did last week, okay? Now, if you turn over here to the Snuggle is a part of that deal, but Snuggle has their own deal going on within itself. Snuggle is also a part of the spend 15 save 3, but it's also save $4 when you buy 2 Snuggles. So we're going to put them in at $3.95 each. Take you to $7. Take your 4 off. Leave you at $3.90. Divide that by 2. You're going to pay $1.95 for each one. Now, if you need Snuggle, then to me that's a good deal. I would grab that regardless if I use the spend off 15 save 3 or not. Let me scan the Snuggle so you can see that it does attach to the spend 15. It's $3.95, and there it is right there. That is a manufacturer coupon, so you don't have to worry about covering that. This is spend 15 save 3. Again, you can earn 75 cents off one. So yes, mix and match your deals. Now, I think this Snuggle is an awesome deal. I think that's a good deal. I am going to pick up two. Now, within that same spend 15 save 3 is the All detergent. The All is on sale at $5. It also has its own coupon of $1.50. Then you have the spend 15 save 3, and you also can earn $1 back if you do not have this $1.50 coupon. Now guys, don't get excited, because most of the time the coupons don't even load all on Sunday, and that is why I have started doing my videos a little later, because I wasn't loading all my coupons wasn't. So this is $1.50 off without using that deal. Now we can go right down here, and we're going to get to the Persil. The Purex, I'm sorry, the Purex. We're going to go to the small one first. That one is $4. They only have the spend 15, save 3, and $1 cash back twice. So if you want to do that, you can. Now, let's do the Purex, the big one. That one is the 28 count for $5.75. First of all, it has a number of deals within itself. It has a spend 15, save $3 general, 2 for $10 general, and it has $1 back on 2. Now the one I would probably do is the 2 for 10 and then earn me $2 back. That's the deal I would actually do. Okay. Now another deal you can do is the Purex. Now that Purex is $13. I always go down here to the 115 loads and get the one for $10. It is a $2 manufacturer. Spend 15, save 3, and then it is a $3 cash back times 1. So that deal can also be done. So it's a number of deals that they gave us on that spend 15, save 3. Not as good as it was. I wish they would put the spend 15, save 5 back with the coupon. That's when it was awesome. So Arm & Hammer also has a great deal going on. It is $5, and you have a $2 coupon. Now, you know Arm & Hammer is my go-to coupon detergent, so that's always an awesome deal to me, okay, guys? Now, it is some more deals I want you guys to look at. Far as detergents, the Gangs are always good deals, and Tide, but we also have this deal right here where the Downy is 2 for $16. They were regular $9.95. They're 2 for $16, $8 each. So they actually took off $1.95. All right, that's it for those deals. Let's get over to a soda deal. I want you to do. I don't gatekeep, guys. So hey, now the Sprite on this end in this container right here. Just pick up one of these bottles. I just want to show you the different deals it is. It's a lot of soda deals going on, so get ready to choose which one you want. Okay, let's scan that. And we see it's $2.50. And you have a spend 14, save $4, and then 2 for $4. Select Frito-Lay items or Pepsi, Mountain Dew, Aquafina, or Sprite 20 ounces. Now, I'm going to go to my list. When I hit my list, I open up. I added 2 in there. They're $2.94 for 2 because of this deal right here. Now, pick up your 2 Sprites 12-pack, a Mountain Dew 12 packs if you want to do that deal, guys. So you would do 2 Mountain Dews and 2 of these to get that deal, all right? Sister did the deal last night in Texas, and she said it worked. So do that, but I don't drink Mountain Dew. Okay, the Sprite in the refrigerator is $2.50. A couple of deals. Spend $8, save 2. Buy one, get one free. You can do those. Though you cannot do them together because they're both Dollar General coupon. So I will pick the buy one, get one free. I already added that to my list. Let's see. We're going to do it twice. I'm sorry. Hit that. 2 Sprites for $2.50. There you go right there. That's a good deal. We're going to look at this Mountain Dew deal. I'm going to show you the Mountain Dew deal, the coupons that's attaching, and then okay, $8.50, and you have 2 coupons attached, and there are 2 for $15. You have that spend 14 get 4 off, and then you have that save $2 on any 3 Mountain Dew. You get that 12 ounce. Remember I told you to pick up the 2 12 ounces that go along with it. Now this is the thing I don't gatekeep. Walgreens has buy 2 12 packs, get 2 free. To me, that is the better deal, all right? I don't gatekeep. Here it is. I'm going to scan the Sprite for you also because they also have a deal. Uh-oh. I'm in the back of the store, so. All right, and here it is, $8.75, and look at all the coupons they have. They have that $2 off 8, save $2 on any Coca-Cola Mountain Dew, and then they are 3 for $16. So pick up 2 Sprites. You got to get up to, and then use that. Again, I do not gatekeep. Walgreens has the better deal. But if you do not shop at Walgreens or you're selective of what you drink, then you have to go and spend more money for what you want. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share every coupon can. We don't gatekeep around here. Bye. I want to show you a deal that's going on, and I don't know if it's a glitch typo, but it's working. So you see these Pillsbury doughs, the ones with the 5 in the pack right here, they're $2.35. They're on sale 2 for $3. So pick 2 of those cans up. And then we're going to scan it. Okay, we're going to scan it. When we scan it, we see that it's $2.35. But look, guys, it is $1 off too. And they are originally 2 for $3. So I added 2 to my list. Go to your list. Hit that. They're $2. $1 each. Grab those, guys, because it say any 2. So that do work on it. It's not a glitch. It say any 2. Any 2. Yep. So it work on the small one. That's an awesome deal. Grab it.